As we have already studied some of the frameworks, some of the agile frameworks, now we are studying Kanban framework. Now we might think that like which framework is better and which framework should we implement in our project. When it comes to Scrum, you may compare Kanban with Scrum and you may fall in a dilemma like should we implement Scrum framework or Kanban framework in our project. So for this question, let me answer you. Scrum is a framework which prescribes some of the events, some of the roles, and some of the artifacts that you need to follow when you implement Scrum framework. And by doing that, what you will achieve is you will be able to deliver value to your customer as soon as possible, and you will be able to come up with a working software as soon as possible, and you will be continuously improving your product through evolution of your product. So that is how you are going to improve, and you are going to develop a software or a product. And by following all those rules which are prescribed in Scrum, you will be able to come up with a software within the stipulated time or even in less time possible. And even you will be able to reduce cost, since you are going to increase the efficiency, or you are going to work in a manner that is prescribed in Scrum framework. By doing that, what you will be doing is you will be first breaking down all the requirements into different smaller pieces called user stories, and your team and the product owner, they will be prioritizing the tasks and they will be working on those user stories, and they will be forming tasks as part of sprint planning, and they will be creating those products. The thing is, in Scrum, it is actually initially it was introduced for software development, and there are few of the events, few of the meetings that we need to conduct, few of the roles that we need to follow, and we have to stick to those all prescribed practices which are mentioned in Scrum framework. When it comes to Kanban framework, it talks about visualizing the workflow. By visualizing the workflow, you will be able to have an updated status of your project, and even your stakeholders will be able to see the status of your project upfront, and you will be able to address all the bottlenecks, the problems that are occurring in your project as soon as possible. So in Kanban, you are visualizing the workflow and you are trying to address the problem in your process, so that you will be able to increase the efficiency and you will be able to increase the throughput. And now, when we say that whether Scrum is better or Kanban, we cannot compare these two frameworks, because in most of the teams, in the ideal scenario, the project teams, they implement both Scrum and Kanban together. By implementing Scrum framework, they are following all the roles, the events and the artifacts, and by implementing Kanban framework, they are maintaining a visual board that will help them to manage the workflow. So that is the ideal scenario, and even in real life project, most of the project teams, they are following both these frameworks together so as to get the benefits of both the frameworks by implementing the practices, the principles that are mentioned in both Scrum and Kanban. So we cannot say that whether Scrum is better or Kanban is better, both are better. And when you implement, when you are able to implement both these frameworks diligently, then you will be able to see the benefits that come out.